Hi, Sarah here with a haul video for you today. This is the Sweet Treat box from Paper, Pen and Plan. I'm on the design team or creative team, so I do get mine for free, and I will be creating lots of nice things using this. So I will of course link the Sweet Treat box below, and I'll also include my discount code that you can use for general items from Claire's shop. That's Paper, Pen and Plan. I will link it all below in case you're interested. And here comes the cat every time I'm filming a haul. Hello. Hi. Right, okay, so without further ado, I will open this up and show you what I have. Every month it comes wrapped beautifully in tissue and lots and lots of individual goodies inside. So I'm just going to grab the sheet out here. So this is the January 2021 box, and it's called Head Over Heels. So I'm going to take out the packages first and then show you what's inside. So first off, we have some papers. These are 12 by 8, I think, and they're a beautiful vintage colour scheme in pinks and reds, and it's got a creamy background rather than stark white. So we have this one here which has a zigzag pattern, if I can get it to pick up, and a lovely soft pink, and then some lovely scripty font on this side. I'll pop it on that one. And we have this one, which is a nice matting piece but with distressed details as well, and it's a red side and a pink side, again with the lovely distressed details. And then we have this one, which is a grey ombre effect on this side, and then it has bikes on the other, which is super cute. So it's got quite a Valentine's vibe. So that's one side, and then the others. And we also have some stickers. So we have this sheet here, which is lots of phrases and icons and images, and then as well as that we have this one, which is lots and lots of alphas and a lovely border on the bottom as well, as you can see. Now onto the little parcels. So first off, this one, we have some journaling cards here. So we have the I think it's 3 by 2 this size. So I'll just quickly, and the back is one pattern, so I'll just show you this side quickly. Oh, the baby's getting grumpy. Time is of the essence. So lots and lots of Valentine's. Ooh, I like that. Valentine's kind of images, etc. And we have some larger pieces here. So these are 3 by 6 by 4, 3 by, oh, I don't know, 4 by 3, I think. And these are the same as the larger ones. So we've got some smaller pieces that could be used for journaling, or if you do Project Life. So we have those. And finally these ones. Again, they've got nice backs to them as well, if you wanted to use the opposite side. Some really cute cards here. Whoopsie. I'm trying to rush and dropping things. I love that one, it's adorable. So we have those as well. Next up, this one. So we have an ink pad from by Versamark. For fabric, paper, wood and more, this colour is bubblegum. And then we have our stencil by Jane. Oh, that's lovely. It's lots and lots of hearts. If I put it behind something, you'll be able to see it better. I must have some black. I've always got black somewhere. There we go. So there's our stencil this month. Next up, this one. Ooh, we've got some lovely bright pom-pom ribbon. I do love pom-pom ribbon. I have a habit of hoarding it though, so I must try and make an effort to use it rather than just keep it. I've probably got about 4 or 5, maybe even more than that, that I've just hoarded. So we have that cute pom-pom trim and this little envelope with a tiny peg. And inside here we have lots of little wooden pieces, some hearts and some words. And finally this one, we have of course got our lollipop, which Joel will probably steal at some point. We have this gorgeous super shiny gold bow paper clip, which is so pretty. I love that, it's gorgeous. And finally we have a shaker heart sequined with lots of pink iridescent stars paper clip, which is super adorable as well. So that is everything in the sweet treat box this month. I will try and get on straight away and make some nice things with it, and I of course will film it. So if you've only just found me and you haven't already subscribed, then do, if you would like to see what I make, do make sure you do subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you know when my videos go live. And I will of course leave all details of paper, pen and plan in the description box below, and I shall see you in my next video. Thanks for joining me today. Bye.